We know this is going on since many years. Unfortunately, the world, many countries in the world, they're supporting this unjust act of the Israelis, that they are settlers, they are occupiers, they have occupied the land, and now they are calling the people to whom the land belongs as terrorists. If we look at the brighter side of this issue, 1 week later, when there was a poll done, 65% of the people around the world, they supported Palestine, in the favor of Palestine, and 35% they supported Israel. But 1 month after the war, when we realized that the footage of the social media, which went viral and showed the injustice done by the IDF, the Israeli Defense Forces, that they killed innocent people, they targeted, they broke most of the international laws of war.